Dr. Neelam Shirsat, who runs our new basic neuro-oncology lab for the last several years, have been collecting the data initially based on a microarray technology on 17 patients, which was then expanded to a different platform. And this is the subgroup of 104 patients which we have analyzed, and shows actually slightly higher number of Wnt pathways, about 20%, as compared to about 10 to 12% that you see in the West. We also see our share of sonic hedgehog. Group C and Group 4 are now called Group 3 and Group 4. As you can see, the large cell anaplastic, which is the worst prognosis, was never seen in Wnt pathway. That's why there is so good prognosis, and was much more seen in Group 3 and also sometimes in Group 4 and sonic hedgehog. Sonic hedgehog is very heterogeneous molecular subtype. And this was the paper which came about more than a year ago now, and it was really a collaborative effort from several hospitals in Mumbai. And also there was an independent validation by the pioneers of the whole molecular profile from the Heidelberg group. So what we were conscious of the fact that in our country, although we do have a tumor bank in our hospital with a very robust tumor, the frozen tumor being stored, but in our country really we have to look at alternatives because it's not possible, and that is true for several parts of the world. It may not be possible to get frozen tissue all the time. So we were keen to look at other mechanisms, even IHC, and this was one thing which we thought could be done almost in a routine clinical practice using paraffin blocks, which is the epigenetic pathway, which is the microRNAs, and this can be done on real-time PCR. So we found out a 9-gene signature, and this could be done on microRNAs based on the paraffin-embedded blocks from the medulloblastomas, and that gives you the flexibility that you can use even the blocks for getting the molecular profile. Now we have close to 300 patients who are on this protocol. Out of the data that we have of the first 100-odd patients, you can see infants, there was no Wnt pathway, and we know that infants don't do well, and they were mostly in the older patient group. Sonic hedgehog, you could see the infants, you could see the children, but you could also see adults because they tend to be lateralized, have a neurogenic potential, and also can be desmoplastic, and which we otherwise see in the adults. And out of the Group 3 patients, about a quarter of them, more than 50% of the metastatic disease belong to the Group C, or what is called now Group 4, and about 45% of the Group C or Group 3 patients had metastasis at the presentations. The female sex actually does better than males, and that is why we could see more number of patients, almost equal number in Wnt pathway, which was not present in other subgroups. This is the survival data as was expected, and it corroborates with the data that has been shown in other parts of the world that the Wnt pathway had the best prognosis and the Group 3 had the worst, and also emerged statistically significant, as you can expect. Classical histology as compared to anaplastic was worse, and the MYC amplification, again, not surprisingly, had a worse prognosis as compared to low MYC amplification as an independent marker.